How's it going, YouTube Tech here? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Fortnite Battle Royale, the latest one of course, on any Mac basically. So on Mac, so this is the base M2 MacBook Air from 2022 and I'm going to show you how it's done. It's really simple, so follow the video carefully. There are a few steps involved. So all you need to know that you need is the really fast internet connection, because this is actually cloud gaming, and cloud gaming requires one most essential thing, that is the fast internet. So there are a few supported browser, so you need Chrome, Safari or Edge. So I recommend you to go for Chrome. To get started, there's a link in the description. Just click on that and you will jump directly into the Geforce actual website. And once you do, you are going to see this page that will open first, and all you need to do is just simply click get in over here in this green button at the left side. So for this you need to have a Geforce account, and there are certain more accounts that you need to have, and you need to own actual games in order to actually play this on the cloud server of the Geforce on the Mac. Basically Fortnite is free and you need to have an Epic Games account. That's that simple. But I also want to show you how you can play other games if you own any. So first of all, just click get in, and then if you have your login credentials already, you can simply just type them and log in, or you can create one. So I'm just gonna do continue here, and it's redirecting me back to the actual gaming page. So this is the page that opens first, and this is like a whole library of the games that is available in Geforce right now, and some other games. So from here all you need to do is click on the account connected button over here under my library. So it will take you to the settings page, and in this settings page you will see some of the connections like the Ubisoft Connect launcher, the Epic Games launcher, the Steam library and the Xbox. So basically if you have games in these, if you own any games in any of these launchers or market, you basically have to connect and sync your library with Geforce Now. So you have to go and simply click connect over here. So since we are playing Fortnite in this video, so I've already got connected with the Epic Games and linked it to my Geforce Now. So as you can see, it says disconnect. That means it's already connected, and it also shows that, and you can connect your other accounts and just then refresh the page. So let's go back and find where is Fortnite. This thing is really simple to do. All you need to do is follow the steps really carefully. Or obviously if you have any doubt, you can simply ask them in the comments. I'll be there. So you will be seeing Fortnite because it's already in my library. But if you don't find it, you can simply search it over here. But it's here, so I'll just click play. So Geforce Now is like a subscription model kind of basis. So there are two things. Either you can play for free, or either you can have subscription, which is also per day or per week or per month or per year maybe. So you can see, if you don't have a subscription, if you launch any game you already own, it will show upgrade, and accordingly it will show the prices for the subscriptions. But if you don't have a subscription, you will have to wait for maybe few more minutes to actually get into the game, like I am waiting right now, and because I don't really have any kind of subscription. And if you do get subscription, you do get access to a lot more extra exciting features, like you do get RTX on. So there is also, it also supports RTX. That's a pretty great thing for a cloud gaming. You don't really need to spend thousands on the graphic cards or any RAM thing or any storage or a high-end PC build whatsoever. All you need to know is you need two things. One is a basic device and a really good internet connection. I mean really good. So basically you will have to wait, because there are some players ahead of you, but if you wait you will definitely get inside the game. So let's wait for it to end, and I will just come back when we are in the game, when it's loading. Alright, so it seems we're in and it's loading, so give it a few more seconds and we will be in. Let me just increase the brightness a little bit and zoom in. So this will give you pretty nice FPS settings, but since you are on Mac, you can only see it in 60 hertz. But if you are on any MacBook Pros, the newer ones, so you might be able to see it in 120 hertz promotion. So that's 120 fps, 60 extra on Pros screen wise and refresh rate wise. All right, that's a very nice sound. So you have to click let's go, and then it will start loading the game like it does on any Windows, or like it does back in the Mac when the Fortnite was unbanned before 2020 whatever. So this is one legit way of playing Fortnite on Mac currently. All you need is really good internet connection, that's it. So, and the cheat easy is loading it. There we go. And of course, this is the latest season. This is not a scam. So now we are finally logged into the game, and as you can see, the graphics is looking pretty crisp. It's not at all bad. So let's just go and check what kind of settings we are on. So, oh god, it's been a while since I've logged into the Fortnite, and they've changed a lot. So here are the settings, and it's on 120 fps. Let's see if we can put it to max, see what max settings we do get. Okay, that's the resolution. I'll just bump it at max. Hold on, what? Only 4. Alright, I'll just turn off VSync, ultimate frames, and performance low graphic. Okay, DirectX 12. This is the graphic brightness. Okay, it's set to custom, so I'll just set it to epic and apply. Keep changes. I'll just restart the game and then just wait in the waiting lobby again. Well, let's see, it's worth the try. Alright, so Fortnite is restarting after I logged in. So let's see if it lets us wait again or if it directly jumps us inside the game. So that's, I think we might not have to wait this time, and we can directly go inside the game, I guess. Yep, we are inside the game. You don't really have to wait if you did restart the game before doing any graphic changes. Alright, that's a good thing. Good enough for the free subscription at least. So let's see if it actually does apply those settings and it works the same, if it looks any better. Let's see what FPS we do get in a solo match that we will land in soon. Alright, so we are in the game and the graphic does look pretty more clear. And let's go to the settings and see if that's true. Alright, the settings have been applied. DirectX 12, unlimited frames, then your resolution, high settings. Hold on, that's on custom. Why? I mean, I put it on high before. Alright, it's on high now. So let's land in a solo match. Battle Royale, solo ranked off. It did say 70 FPS over here. Should be 120 I guess. Let's land in a match and see how long it actually takes. My internet connection is not that bad. It's like 125 megabits. So let's see how playable this is on 125 megabits internet Wi-Fi. So, alright, that was pretty quick. Yeah, that was nice. That's considerably pretty quick for cloud version. It might just actually take us in the game. We might just skip the lobby part. Maybe mostly because of the internet connection. Let's see. Alright, we are in the game. We skipped the lobby part because of... Hold on. So it's giving me 50 FPS. And hold on. Yup. 50 FPS. Wait, it got stuck. I'm not sure if high graphics or high frames are equally proportionate to like the internet connection itself, because the graphic does look pretty good, but it's stuttering a lot. I'm not sure if this is because of my internet, because it's supposed to be good. Alright, this is not playable at all. This is actually not playable. Oh, the graphics does look pretty clear though. But yeah, if you maybe have a lot faster internet than me, maybe nearly 200, 250 or maybe 300 megabits, This might be playable then, but I'm not really sure if this is because of the high graphics setting or it might just have to do with the poor internet connection. Not really sure why it could be this not playable. Right? That's weird. Okay, I'm on like 40 FPS on average, I guess, or maybe 30s. But the graphics certainly is pretty clear. I can tell that much easily. Yeah. Let's just try this on low settings. Maybe if that works well, then sure, that's the rule. More the graphic, more the internet speed it might require. So let's see if that works. Alright, so we have restarted it for the second time. And I've restored this back to the default graphic settings or whatever settings. So hold on. It's on 60 DirectX 12 and it's probably has to be on custom. Alright, yep. So I'll just put this on 120 at least. And let's go back and see if it does any better this time. Again, solo ranked off and matchmaking starts. I'll just meet you guys directly in the game now. Alright, so well, it did load faster this time, like 10 seconds before we in the lobby, the pre-game. And in the previous one, we directly went in the game. Hold on. Okay. Whoa, whoa, whoa. This is a lot smoother now. So I'll just go and see and enable FPS display really quick. Where was it supposed to be? Motion blur is off. I'll just turn it on. Apply. Come on. Show FPS finally. Applied. Alright. So previously we were on 30 on average, 40 and 50 at max. Now we are at 80, 85, 90, 95. Whoa, this is a lot playable. I can easily tell. And the graphics is on custom, so you guys go back in the video to see. But alright, this is a lot playable. Okay, it's not playable that much, but by keeping it on low settings, maybe you can still play this game pretty well. So all you need is a really fast internet connection to play on high settings. And maybe if you do get the subscription for this, you might get some optimized gameplay settings. So you might be able to play better with subscriptions. It could be one case. But alright, this is a lot playable compared to the previous match we jumped into with high settings, the max settings. And alright, so we do get above 110 FPS. Right, this still is a quite playable thing compared to the last one. Yep, easily. So alright, so 100 megabits Wi-Fi speed with custom settings, and this is what you get. Fine. Oh, can't really remember the buttons. How do I get it in? Alright. It's been a few months since I've really played Fortnite, or maybe almost an year. Whoa, but yep, you can play Fortnite on Mac. This is the latest version, and even the custom settings, the default settings don't look that bad. It looks pretty good. Well, there you have it. Fortnite still running on Mac in 2024, almost 25. Happy New Year in advance, super advance maybe. Forget the cringe. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for the next one. Peace out.